lovers. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into the captivating world of Japanese Zen house design, a style that embodies tranquility, simplicity, and a deep connection with nature. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. The allure of Japanese Zen design lies in its ability to create spaces that promote mindfulness and inner peace. It's more than just an aesthetic. It's a philosophy that emphasizes harmony, balance, and the appreciation of impermanence. At its core, Japanese Zen house design is rooted in the principles of Zen Buddhism. It seeks to eliminate clutter and distractions, allowing residents to connect with their inner selves and the present moment. This is achieved through minimalist aesthetics, natural materials, and a strong connection to the surrounding environment. Wabi-Sabi, the acceptance of imperfection and transience, is another key concept, valuing the beauty of natural aging and the unique character of handcrafted objects. Why choose Japanese Zen house design? In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be challenging. Japanese Zen design offers a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. By creating a calm and uncluttered environment, it reduces stress, promotes relaxation, and enhances mental well-being. This design style encourages a mindful way of living, allowing us to appreciate the simple things and find joy in the present moment. It's not just about how your house looks, it's about how it makes you feel. How to design your Japanese-style house to look Zen. Creating a Zen-inspired home involves several key elements. First, embrace minimalism. Declutter your space and keep only essential items. Opt for clean lines, simple forms, and neutral color palettes. Natural light is crucial, so maximize windows and use translucent shoji screens to diffuse sunlight softly. Incorporate natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone to bring the outdoors in. A well-designed garden, even a small one, is an essential component, providing a connection to nature and a sense of tranquility. What are the best materials for Japanese Zen house design? The choice of materials plays a vital role in achieving a Zen aesthetic. Natural, sustainable, and unrefined materials are preferred. Wood, particularly cedar, cypress, and pine, is widely used for flooring, walls, and furniture. Bamboo is another popular choice for screens, blinds, and decorative elements. Stone is used for pathways, gardens, and water features, adding a sense of grounding and permanence. Tatami mats, made of woven rush grass, are traditional flooring in Japanese homes, providing a soft and comfortable surface. And now, to ignite your imagination and provide you inspiration for your next project. Here these the collection of the 10 best Japanese Zen house design ideas. 1. Shoji screens. These translucent paper screens on wooden frames diffuse light beautifully, provide privacy, and act as subtle room dividers. They create a soft, serene atmosphere and are a hallmark of Japanese design. Show examples of different patterns and light diffusion. 2. Tatami mat flooring. Made of woven rush grass, tatami mats offer a comfortable, natural flooring option. They have a subtle fragrance and create a unified, harmonious space. Their standard size also influences room proportions. Show close-ups of the texture and layout. 3. Endowa or veranda. This transitional space connects the interior to the garden, blurring the lines between indoors and out. It's a perfect spot for relaxation and enjoying nature. Show examples with garden views and people relaxing. 4. Rock gardens or karasansui. These miniature dry landscapes use rocks, gravel, and sand to represent natural elements like mountains and rivers. They encourage contemplation and create a sense of stillness. Show examples of raked gravel patterns and rock arrangements. 5. Water features. The sound of flowing water creates a calming atmosphere. Small ponds, fountains, or water basins enhance the Zen feeling and mask unwanted noise. Show a variety of water feature types. 6. Minimalist furniture. Simple, low-profile furniture made of natural materials is key. Focus on clean lines, functional forms, and avoiding clutter. Show examples of low tables, cushions, and simple chairs. 7. Neutral color palette. Stick to whites, beiges, grays, and natural wood tones. These create a serene backdrop and allow natural textures to shine. Show examples of different neutral color combinations. 8. Natural light. Maximize windows and use shoji screens to diffuse sunlight. Natural light is essential for a warm, inviting atmosphere. Show rooms bathed in natural light. 9. Greenery. Incorporate plants like bonsai, ferns, or bamboo. They purify the air and connect the space to nature. Show examples of plant arrangements in Zen interiors. 10. Tokonoma or alcove. This recessed alcove is used for displaying art, calligraphy, or floral arrangements. It acts as a focal point and adds a touch of elegance. Show examples of different items displayed in a tokonoma. By incorporating these principles and ideas, you can create a Japanese Zen-inspired home that promotes peace, tranquility, and a deep connection with nature. It's about creating a space that nurtures your well-being and allows you to find serenity in the everyday moments. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own Zen sanctuary. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best Japanese Zen house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.